What's up guys, here with another video for you, and today I am actually doing a power mod. Well, it's not really a power mod, I should say. We are doing the Motordyne spacer install. We're going to be removing the actual plenum from the car, and I'm going to see what's in it oil wise. This is a high mileage G35, so there's gonna be a lot of oil in there probably. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this plenum taken out, clean it, remove whatever else I need to do, and hopefully we're gonna install the spacer correctly. I'm not sure if I want to use any gasket maker yet, because I will be taking it apart again soon, so that's a thing that I'm not too sure about yet. Alright, well, I will be back when this is off. Now, Motordyne does give you an instruction pamphlet when you order their spacer off online. I bought mine on Amazon for $2 something, I can't remember. And these bolts you do have to take out in order. Like on the paper, it'll give you numbers to take out the bolts. So I recommend doing that. Just don't take out the bolts in any order, or you'll probably be screwed. I also will be ordering a new intake, because this stock intake, yeah, I'm pretty sure all you think it's really, really ugly and probably doesn't do much. So I tried to clean it as best as I could, and this is what I got so far. This, I am not sure how I'm gonna even get this out, if I even can. I tried so hard, but it didn't even come out, so I don't know if it's gonna affect the spacer or not. We'll just have to find out. Great. Alright, so it's a new day. I had to stop yesterday because I could not get that stripped bolt out, but it turns out it was actually this bolt. Well, this bolt and I guess it comes there factory. I guess that was my mistake of saying that the previous owner had to put it on there, but I couldn't get it out. I finally got it out. For some reason, I guess when I was cleaning the the plenum, I had sprayed some, I guess, well, engine cleaner on it and left it overnight, and it came out like just like that. So thankful for that. But I'm gonna be cleaning off this gasket right now and everything. I didn't put the bolts back in yet, so I'm just gonna take it apart again, clean it, and then put the spacer. I nicked it a little bit right there, but that's okay. No one's gonna die. Another thing is, guys, remember when you're putting in your washers, these black washers that come supplied with the Motordyne plenum spacer, you don't want the cup side facing upwards, where it's like this, not like this. That's wrong. It has to go up. Finished tightening everything, putting everything back on. I did have like a couple loose screws somewheres, so yeah, let's hope the whole engine doesn't blow up, because that can happen. All right, moment of truth. Works, boys. So just be sure to like and subscribe. This really wasn't much of a tutorial. It was just me building my car.
So yeah,